Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes. We're going to do a move called a Catapult YoYo, which in Double Jive is very similar to the doubles version of a catapult and the doubles version of a yo-yo. Effectively, we're going to do half of each. Links to the previous versions, which are going to be really useful, in the description below. So, when you put them half and half, as it were, you end up with something that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, previous moves, we've had either the hands doing the same thing for the guy, or we've had the guy's hands doing the opposite of each other. This time, we've got the hands doing completely different things. So if you've already learned the catapult and you've already learned the yo-yo, what we're actually doing in the right hand is we're doing the yo-yo. So the right hand does the yo-yo, but at the same time, the left hand does the catapult, but not the sweep in, sweep out, just the sweep in and spin. Okay, so you cut the first bit off. So if we put those together, and trust me, having your hands doing different things is a lot more tricky than having them either do the same thing or mirror images. We go semicircle and back. The left hand is sweeping up to the left as the right hand folds across the chest. The left hand twists, allows the lady to carry on round and step back as the right hand twists the lady out. Now from here, the left hand prepares the lady into a spin, the right hand preps a turn. As we lead a spin with the left and let go, the right goes over the lady for the turn, the catch goes down to the left, and we take the lady in our right down to the left, and let's just return both ladies because they're in sync, and we're done. So we'll do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers so you get the other view. So we go back 1, fold across the chest and sweep, 2, twist out and finish the sweep off, 3, prep a spin and a turn, 4, spin and turn, 5, catching down to the left, 6, returning 7, and back 8. So let's try to count. Here we go. 5, 6, a yo-yo catapult. We go a back, sweep, twist, prep, spin and turn, catch, return and back. Some people will call this a yo-yo catapult, some people will call it a catapult yo-yo. I really don't mind. It's half of one and half of the other. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful. Go out and play with it. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation is something nice to practice to on the end when the little windows pop up in the last few seconds of the clip. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.